Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a cabin tour. This is just a standard balcony here on the Majestic Princess. We're in C234. The standard balcony rooms are a little smaller on the Majestic Princess than they are on the other ships. I've been on also the Royal Princess and the Regal Princess. I've been on both of those, and the standard balcony is a little bigger, but that's okay. We're just really happy to be here. So first of all, let me show you. You have this nice area right here. This is the closet. And then you open here, and you have some nice shelves here to put your clothing and anything that you need. And here is the safe, so it's ready for you. Let me go ahead and shut the door here. Okay, and so it is a nice size closet there. Then you open right here for the powder room. So you've got the closet. Sorry, it's kind of tight quarters here, but I just wanted to show you. And then right around there, we'll be asking for some extra towels. And then you've got a nice area here with a sink. And this is all very nice. And then one thing that I really like is Princess always provides a full-length mirror here so that you can make sure you look nice before you go out. And then right around the corner here, we've got the queen size bed configuration here. And then there's a nice nightstand on each side. And so let me show you, there's both sides. On both sides, there's this nice little, there's drawers here. So you've got 2 drawers that you can tuck anything in that you want to. And then over here, there's 3 drawers on this side, and you've got a really nice desk. I always like to do my makeup out here because you get the nice daylight to do it, really good lighting. And then over here is another nice mirror. There's a nice flat screen TV there, and then also a little painting over there. So that's nice. And here I believe is the refrigerator. You have a nice refrigerator for you. There's a little bit more storage right here for anything that you want to put on these little shelves. And then here's the water. You know, I mentioned that we always get the water package, and this time there are these huge 1.5 liter bottles. Usually they're just the 16.9 ounce regular water bottles that you're used to getting, and so luckily my husband and I each kept a water bottle, and so just the normal size, so we'll just be refilling those to take on excursions with us and for convenience. So we'll have lots of water. And then let's see, I wanted to tell you all that the Princess beds really are heaven. They are so comfortable to sleep in. They have the best pillows. And so if you haven't cruised with Princess yet, you've got something to look forward to. They have just the most comfy beds. And then, like I mentioned, this is a balcony. Oh, my husband wants to tell you something.
They've added in USB ports.
Oh, so that's really nice right there. We always bring a little power strip extra thing with you that he showed in our videos. But it's really nice they've added those. And then you've got the outlets just right here. And then just one more right there. And that's really all you've got in the room. And so it's really nice. Here's our shore excursion tickets, and then here's these. And look, they did give us a princess patter, so that's really nice. So this is the stateroom, and then we've got the balcony out here, and they give you 2 chairs, which is really nice, with a table there to put your drink on or your book or whatever you'd like. It's a good sized balcony. It's really nice. It's going to be wonderful. So thank you so much for watching.